I want to share with you some common triggers for influence. Now, these are common desires and tendencies that we all share as a human race. These things are common that they're so common you can practically see them everywhere. And you use triggers to leverage those desires and tendencies. So what I'm referring to are motivational triggers. Today I'm sharing with you the 4 that I find to be the most obvious and the easiest to leverage. Now, the first one is the desire for recognition and appreciation. It's validation. Oprah Winfrey once said that of the thousands of people that she's interviewed over the years, all of those people have this in common. Do you see me? Do you hear me? Does what I say matter? Now, the problem that happens in normal everyday life is that all of us are actively wanting to be appreciated, but so few of us are actively appreciating. So all of us have this deep desire to be seen, to be heard, to be told that we're worthy. But so few of us are giving that to others. To say, I see you, I hear you, I get it. Now, the second is the desire to be seen as an expert. So this doesn't necessarily mean that we desire to be an expert in everything, but all of us own an expertise in something. Can you find out what that is for them? Now, the next one is the desire to be part of something bigger, or the desire for significance. Now, there is a core part of us that strives to be a part of something bigger. We want to be helpful within the tribe that we have, the community, or the ideals that we aspire to. People in the military very rarely will say that they do this for themselves. They do it for the country. They do it for their fellow soldiers. The sacrifices that they take, it's not for themselves. And that is a very clear hook of significance that they have attached. They are willing to sacrifice for that significance. We hear sacrifice for significance as well in different ways. In fact, I'm certain that you have sacrificed in some way. How much have you sacrificed for the significance of your company that you're building, or to your family, or to the marathon that you're preparing for, or that make or break speech you're presenting to decision makers, which could again be your family? That's your significance. That's your hook. And you are demonstrating that through your work. Everybody has this desire for something bigger. When you come across any of these golden nuggets, write them down. What I found is that if I write it down directly after the conversation, well, it's easier for me to remember. For example, you might write, this is a strong value for them. So how do you know when you've connected then? When the person you're wanting to motivate repeats your words or uses your phrases. If they demonstrate positive body language like nodding and smiling, if they lean in, or if they move closer in proximity to you, or if they face you directly, if they start mirroring you, if they interrupt you to agree with you. If you notice just 2 or more of these signals, then you've accomplished the connection of your influential process.